I'm sure you've heard the news. The digital product market is booming. Ready to jump in? Launching your own digital product store has never been easier or more profitable. Picture this: a complete digital download website packed with thousands of popular products, and every single dollar you earn stays with you. No more worrying about product development or spending countless hours coding. Our ready-to-go website scripts have you covered. Even if you're a newbie, you can dive right in and start selling high-quality products without breaking a sweat. Concerned about originality and design? We've got that sorted too. Each of our digital products is crafted to stand out in the market, ensuring that your store looks professional and attractive to buyers. But what about finding the right market and trends? Don't sweat it. We provide insights into profitable niches and the latest trends, so you can focus on what matters most: making sales. And speaking of sales, effective marketing is the key. With our strategies, you'll reach your target audience effortlessly, converting visitors into loyal customers. So, what are you waiting for? Launch your profitable digital product store today and enjoy the freedom of running your own business, with 100% of the profits going straight to you. Remember, the future of digital selling is now, and it's easier than ever to be a part of it. Start your journey today and watch your entrepreneurial dreams come true. Ready to take the leap? Your digital success story begins here.